What's up, family? Welcome to yet another beautiful analysis. I'm bringing it to you all the way from the office, as you know, and of course we're analyzing the market with our strategy intraday analysis over here. And of course this is gonna be relevant for the London session. I will post something for the New York as well separately, so you guys are gonna get 2 videos per day as well as educational videos in between the week. So I'm so excited with the schedule that we're developing. And anyway, I'm going to be jumping on the chart right away. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you become part of the family. Also, don't forget to engage with me in the sense that you comment down below what you see on the markets as well. Please be quite relevant and stick to the topic at hand. God bless you. Let's jump into the markets. Okay, so family, we're on the markets right now. As you can see, I am on the 1 hour chart because I want to keep it as relevant as possible, right? So I'm just going to zoom out over here, and this is also will show you exactly how I analyze the markets. And I just want to take exactly this piece of price action here. I just like to call it elegant piece of price action because from this many of us are going to be making money. Okay, so I'm gonna take the high of the day that I see quite obvious to spot. That's the high that we closed off or that we opened from, and then of course we have the low of last week. So I'm not gonna take all the way here. I'm just gonna take this one over here, and then from then on we kind of use that as our room where we actually just looking at the market. If we're trendline traders, of course we're gonna say, well, the market that's broken out, even though yes, that's what we're actually getting right now, but I have to really articulate it for everybody to actually make sense, right? And as we can see, the previous trend, we did have it going all the way up. I mean, we did have breaks of structure over here. So as you can see, beautiful breaks of structure that we have here, another one here, and of course we have another one right here, which was the last break of structure, as you can see it. Okay, so after we had that last break of structure, let me just take it up. We can clearly see that right now basically a break of structure validates a change of the market trend. So if we have the market going up, a break of structure simply tells you that we have higher highs that are being broken to make us well known that we're gonna create higher lows to create new higher highs. So this is still giving us hope. The moment the market kind of breaks that higher high, we need to break something else. My favorite, of course, a change of character, that we need to actually have that in order to validate that the market is in a downtrend. Okay, so over here, if the market had not, let me just correct that here. Okay, so if the market had not actually broken this higher high, in fact it has not actually broken this higher low, which can be possibly a demand level, right? So let me just show you guys what goes through my mind here. So this may be possibly a demand level, but it's gonna get broken. I can already see the market structure already. So this is a change of character that we have on the M15. Once we have the market actually breaking below, and we can see that's the action that's taking place right now, we can be confident that we want to mark at least a POI that we have in the market. So it can be a supply. I'm just going to call it a POI, which stands for point of interest, where we have a supply or demand. In this case, it is therefore a supply. So once we have marked that, I just want to stretch it across, and I will go on to the 5 minutes to better articulate this. And we can see that is a very strong supply right there. The market did range and then of course broke out after that, and it's quite clear to the 5 minutes that what we have here, I mean, we have this change of character that is quite clear to the eye. We need the market to really break this just a small dip. It's not actually a break. I want a clear break, even though we can have microstructures. So what I mean by microstructure change of character is when it's on a smaller time frame, like here. Okay, when it's on a smaller time frame, we can actually expect it. In fact, it's this one, the last higher high. We can expect the market to actually kind of really pull back because we broke the last higher high on the 5 minutes. Okay, so this will now change into my break of structure for later on. So as we trading with the smaller time frames, this will be quite relevant as our change of character. Now our supply is quite clear. This will be the main supply that the market was ranging in. Therefore, I do expect the market to pull back, and then we can get an impulse all the way within the New York session. I just hope I'm quite clear, guys, to you, as I'm really trying my level best to articulate this as clear, as easy, as simple, you know, in terms of structure wise. Why does it have to do that? Let me know, guys, on what you see. But so far it kind of looks so good for sells. I don't feel like it's gonna sell. I see technically it's gonna sell. In terms of entry point, I wanna still wait for the market to kind of really mitigate that POI, then we can actually go for an entry. I was supposed to give it a sell right here according to our Eagle system, but anyway, I did it because I still wanna get that sniper entry. So our Eagle system is available. It actually gives good signals, but sometimes I just like to refine the entry personally with my smart money technique. I just hope it's quite clear for everybody. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to comment down below to tell me what is your opinion, what is your take, what is your view, technically so or fundamentally so, what you see in the markets. I believe we might also have some earnings that are going to be released that are going to give us really a good fundamental catalyst as we get in for this month and for this year, as within the first quarter. So I might go over that with you guys, but of course this is the first video for the day. Make sure to be part of the family if YouTube just suggested this to you, so that means the algorithm knows what you need. If you watched it till this point, definitely you just gotta subscribe to be part of the family. More banger content is gonna be coming your way. God bless you. This is your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Mwaka.